Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to remove fill color from text in Photoshop. Let's get started. See this text. Go to click effects, blending options, and stroke color. Example red color, stroke size. Okay, and blend option default. See this fill opacity. Remove fill opacity. Click OK. See this remove fill from text. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And again change stroke color, click stroke and change stroke color, resize and resize text, press Ctrl T, hold shift or double click, height white.